Hi guys, this is Tim. This is a quick install video for the C4 rear tip-over bars. To do this, you will need a T45 Torx bit and a 12mm box end wrench or open end wrench, however you have it. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Let's get started. First of all, get your side case off and out of the way. I've already loosened these up because my other side's already installed. To start with, take your T45 and just back all these off and remove all these out of the way. The bottom one you'll be reusing again, so have that handy. The top two, you will not be reusing these two bolts. There are two new ones to replace these that are a little bit longer. And then remove those out of the way. Hang on to those. In the package you'll get two spacers. Take these, set those right inside. You'll have the two new spacers in the recesses. Take your two new bolts with washers, set those inside the bracket. These will be marked on the back here with an L or an R depending on which side it goes on as you sit on the bike, left and right. Bolts and washers drop through here is the easiest way. Take your bracket, kind of feed these down through here, hold those together, then come in here, set it in and get these started. This finger tight's all you need. Get a few threads in them. Yeah, I'm more right-handed. Pull the screw in. Then you'll take this other bottom bolt, car driving by. You'll take this and put it in. On the back side is a captive nut. You may need to move that around or lift your muffler a little bit to get that to line back up. That tightens up. Get everything finger tight. Run them in a little snug. I like to take it and push it all the way forward. That way you get enough clearance for your door to swing open. Just a good snug is good. But the actual settings are the top two go to about 19 foot-pounds. The bottom one is at about 16 foot-pounds if you want to do that with a torque wrench. I generally just give it a pretty good snug. And then I do recommend probably about after the first 100 miles or so, give it another little snug just to make sure nothing's vibrated loose or anything, and that should pretty much do it. I've never had them loosen up at all. And then that's good. That's it. Just then copy it again on the other side. Take your side case, set it on, lock it in, and check your door. You should have plenty of clearance. But like I said, if you adjust that, you can adjust it closer if you want to. I tend to run them all the way forward and run them that way. Never had a problem. Again, that's it. Just copy the same thing on the other side and you should be good to go. Thanks a lot. It's Tim signing off. Thank you.